Start.
Hi. Initially, we are importing the libraries like NumPy, pandas, and the sequentials, and etc. Pyplots, everything to use this for this programming. And then we are importing the data set called diabetes.csv. And then we are splitting the data into the test and the trains categories. And then we are building the sequential model for those. We have created a model here, and then for the complementations we have used the model dot compile to compile that. Then we have printed the summary and the accuracy of the model. Then furtherly we have built the sequential model uh, for the random seed, and then we have compiled the data, and then we have printed the summary and the accuracy of the model. And the same thing we have repeated here. We have created the sequential model and then printed the summary and the accuracy model. And similarly, the same steps are repeated by building the sequential model and the compilation and printing the summary and the accuracy. And finally, we have plotted the uh, accuracy of for training and the validation in the same plot as shown below. In the second program, we have imported the dataset called breastcancer.csv, and then we have printed the first 5 rows. After that, we have find the overall information about the data from the dataset given. Then finding the unique values and diagnosing the columns since it is only categorical value in data. And then we have find the values which is unnamed. We have 32 columns on that.
Okay, thank you, Leela Krishna. Next, we are converting the categorical data into int. Uh, After that, we are copying the remaining features other than diagnosis to X, then copying the diagnosis features, then splitting the data into training and testing categories. Then we are building the sequential models, and we are creating the model, and then output layer, then performing compilation, and after that we are printing the summary and accuracy. Then we are building another sequential model by adding more hidden layers. Then performing compilation. After that, we are printing the summary and accuracy. And after that, we are plotting the accuracy for training and validation in the same plot. And and for third question, we are importing the data, breastcancer.csv. After that, by using info, we are printing the data in the CSV file, and by using this function, we are fitting it into a standard scalar function. After that, we are transforming this data, and then we are using label encoder function, and then we are performing this create model and adding the hidden layer and output layer and printing the summary of it. And lastly, we are printing the loss and accuracy of this model. Thank you.